Today I'll cook pilishka zapekanka z kartoffel, which means that is chicken with potato. Zapekanka, I call the meals that are baked, but the baking is not the entire cooking procedure. It's previously bought or cooked some other way, and then to finish is baked. My zapekanka will be with chicken, potato, and some other vegetables. For the purpose, the chicken is already boiling in salty water and few black peppercorns. The potatoes are boiling, and in salty water I will cook some carrots. For the carrots, I'll cook them about 2 minutes and then add the rest of the vegetables. After 2 minutes, I'll add the frozen green peas, and those are 3/4 cups of frozen green peas and 3/4 cup of frozen corn. And boil them for 3 more minutes. Now the chicken is all the way done, but the potatoes and vegetables are not. They're cooked but not cooked through. So I'll cut all of these and place them in the baking pan. Now I cut the potatoes in kind of big pieces. Mix it with chicken, the vegetables. Preheat the oven on high for 120 degrees. I'm using the chicken broth from the water I was boiling the chicken in. Sprinkle some savory from Bulgaria. It smells wonderful. Some paprika. If you want to, you can use some cooking oil or butter. I'll put just a little bit cooking oil just because the chicken already has its own fats. We don't need no more. And bake it into the oven until the water is gone. In a bowl, I'll beat 2 eggs with a scoop soup spoon of flour and some salt. I will add about 3/4 cup of cup milk. You can use cream, cooking cream if you want to. I have milk right now. Also, I'll add 4 ounces shredded cheese, whatever cheese you want and you have. Right now I have Kobe Jack, one of our favorites. Also, fresh cut Italian parsley. And when you barely could see the chicken broth, the water from the chicken to appear, you can take out the chicken potato and start covering it with eggs, milk, and cheese. First I will do it with spoon because I want the cheese to be spread equally all over through the pan. If you want, you can use more cheese. Remember, everything is by your own taste. But since I already boiled the chicken in salty water, the vegetables in salty water, I think that if I add more cheese, the meal will be too salty, and we don't want that. No. And back into the oven. My zapekanka today will be served with Tarator. This is cold soup, and all I need for this soup is cucumber, yogurt, 2 water glasses, vegetable oil, salt, and parsley. Usually I prepare this soup with fresh dill, but since I don't have fresh dill, I will use fresh Italian parsley. Now all I have to do is to peel the cucumber and cut it. Now I cut the cucumber on very kind of small pieces, small cubes. And in the beginning, I forgot to mention one very important ingredient for this soup. It's fresh garlic. I make on puree with these two garlic cloves. So it's not quite fresh, dry garlic. You can use garlic powder or marinated garlic, but I think that whole garlic cloves are best. And also in the cold season, you know that garlic can protect you from flu and viruses, colds. So we eat it a lot and we like it. Some people don't like the taste of it, but we do. So if you want to use it for this soup, you can skip it, but according to me, this soup is not good without garlic. It's not that good. So now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. The walnuts and the fresh cut Italian parsley. Some salt. Also depends on your taste. I'm gonna put a lot because when I mix it with the yogurt and water, I want to feel a little bit salt. I don't want it to be without taste. A little bit of vegetable oil, maybe no more than a soup spoon. Mix all of this. And add the yogurt. Габи?
Искам 2 бисквити, мамо.
Маме, вземи си, защото трябва да снимам тук.
Mommy, we don't have any homework today, Mom. I don't have any homework today.
You have homework from Bulgarian school, Gabriel.
Yes, Mom.
It depends on how thick you want the soup to be. You can add more milk or more water. I already pour about half a glass water, so I'll do a little bit more. I think this is good. And that's Tarator. Now it's time to serve and eat.